Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something fun. We're going to be trying out some things that have gone viral on TikTok and see for ourselves if they're going to be good or not. I got a bunch of new things that I'm excited to try out. Don't mind that I'm literally sitting on my floor, but it's too bright where I would usually sit. So here we are. So I follow a lot of beauty people on TikTok. I think those videos are fun. I've loved beauty videos forever. Like, I think that was the first kind of videos I ever started watching when I started YouTube. I was like on OG beauty vloggers. Is that what they're called? I watched all of them, like Jaclyn Hill, literally all of them. I like always in college thought I wanted to be a makeup guru, but I mean, I'm not that skilled. I used to be. I used to practice a lot more, but now I just do kind of basic makeup. So I'm excited to try out these products. So I have everything right here so we can just jump into it. So the first thing I'm gonna use is actually something that I already own and have been using. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So people rave over these. Michaela on TikTok, I see so many videos of her raving about this product. I got it in my BoxyCharm actually. I've been using it. I do really like it. The one thing that I have issues with is that this bottle like is opaque, so you can't see how much product you have left. Just kind of annoying. I think like I'm definitely nearing the end, so I kind of have to shake it when I'm using it. So this is just a little pump and I use it. I actually use another primer as well first, but I put this on top of my primer. I know people also use this, I think, like as skincare, but I like to use it under my makeup. It's just like any other primer. It doesn't like fill your pores or anything, but it does give you like a really nice glow underneath your makeup. It smells so good. Like, it really smells like really good watermelon, like watermelon Sour Patch Kids. I really like this. It's not sticky or anything. Like, it dries down really nice, and I swear putting foundation over this, like, you can see the glow under your foundation. I even think it's nice, like, if you don't want to wear makeup, you could just do this and like have cute glowy skin all day. So the first one is a thumbs up for me. Next I have something that I haven't tried before, and this is the new NARS foundation. It's called Light Reflecting Foundation. Hopefully the color I got is good for me. It might be too dark. It's medium 1. Let's see. But this is another thing I've seen Michaela and like so many other people on TikTok talk about. Michaela even says this might be her wedding foundation. The color actually looks pretty good, I think. I used to use NARS a lot, like a few years ago, but I haven't owned like I think anything from them in a while. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard really good things. I usually do like start with a pump on my beauty blender. Let me get my little mirror for this. It's definitely a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I think once I blend it in, it'll be okay. So my current foundation that I use, it cosmetics Your Skin But Better, and this, like, usually one pump like will get my whole face, but as you can see, like, I still have a bunch of redness and stuff, which I don't really like, so I'm gonna use a little bit more. I feel like it's a little bit of a more watery consistency. Hopefully I don't look too off from my neck. It's definitely a bit darker, but we can put some bronzer on the neck. Okay, I feel like this color I picked is like a bit yellow for me. I don't know if it's translating, but I feel like in person it's more yellow than I typically go for. So this might not be my shade, but we can probably make it work. Also, I didn't love that I had to use like a lot more than I usually would use in my regular foundation. I had to use like pretty much double. So I would say that this is like pretty light to medium coverage. Not that I'm an expert, but considering that I had to use a lot more to achieve like the same look, I would say that. But it does look good. I think it like covered up everything I needed to cover up. Let's see how my makeup applies on top of it, the rest of my makeup. So the next product I want to talk about is the Youthforia Color Changing Blush. So I've had this for a little while. So mine's like kind of discolored, but it comes like lime green. You're like, how is this blush? It's literally green, but it's supposed to like chemical react to your skin and make like the perfect blush shade for you. I've had mine for a while, so you can see it's kind of like brownish. So that is something to keep in mind. Like, it does like look different in the bottle, but it doesn't affect at all like how it comes out on your face. Like, it still comes out on my face just as when I got it, but I think like from opening and closing it so many times, it probably like oxidizes. But you can see the tip is like so pink. It's just supposed to be your perfect blush shade. I love cream blush. I think it's so pretty, and I just dot it. Some people do it like just the 3 dots there and do it on the apples. No, this is the apple. Their upper cheekbone, but I do it like literally everywhere. I saw somebody do this in a makeup tutorial once, that they do it like all across. So I tried it and I ended up loving it, and I just think it's cute having really blush cheeks. So I'd use a brush with this and I just like press it in. It's super easy to blend out. Like, it blends really quickly just tapping it. You could do a beauty blender too, but I like a brush. And it leaves a really pretty like natural blush color. It's not like too red or pink or anything. Like, I think it fits like really cute with my skin tone. I love using this. And then like if I don't want to put like powder makeup on, I think just leaving this too is so cute. But usually I do put powder on top. So if you've seen these and you want to try them, this brand I really like. This blush is really good. Liquid blush in general is really good, and this one leaves like a really pretty nice color, so it's definitely worth the try, I would say. Now that I've had this foundation on for a little, I can definitely tell like it's leaving me pretty shiny. I mean, some of it is, as I told you, those dewdrops that we tried in the beginning, they do leave like a nice glow under your skin, but I do feel this foundation is leaving me a bit shinier than my usual ones. That's perfect for the next thing we're gonna try, the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. I've heard so many good things about this. I got it in shade Breezy Sheer Light Transparent. I've never tried anything from Kosas. I've actually wanted to for a while, so I'm excited to try this out. I don't know if this is like something you can use under your eyes too. I usually like bake under my eye, but I will definitely use this like around my face to get some of the shininess away. Here's how it looks open. I haven't had like a face powder in a long time, so this is something I'm definitely needing. Let's do my forehead. I mean, it definitely made it like less oily looking, like way mattified. I wonder if this would work for me on my under eyes as well. I'm gonna just put some on because why not? Okay, like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in my mirror you can definitely see like this side's way more mattified and this side's still like really like dewy from the foundation. I mean, this is not like something I would probably use every day, but for when I'm going out at night or like when I want my makeup to stay for a long time, I think this is a really good product, and it doesn't look cakey at all. Like, it looks really nice on my skin. Cute. Okay, this is a thumbs up for me. I like how it turned out. I definitely look less like greasy. That's the word I was trying to think of. The foundation, I feel like, left my face looking a bit greasy, and this definitely toned it down. Like, now it looks nice. It looks very natural on the skin, and it's cute. Definitely thumbs up for me. Next thing, we're gonna do highlighter. So I got the Rare Beauty, another brand that I have not tried anything from, so I'm super excited. I got the Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer highlighter. I got the shade Mesmerize, which I believe the website said is Selena's favorite. I'm excited. I don't like the highlighter I have right now at all, so I'm gonna try this, and I really like the bottle. It's so cute. Oh, okay. So it's like, I expected it for some reason to be like a dropper, like a squeeze dropper. Maybe because this is like a ball, I thought it would be squeezing. But it's like a little applicator, like a concealer brush. The only thing is, like, this tube is kind of weird. Like, it's really skinny. You can't, like, this has a lot of product on it and it's hard to like wipe it off. I don't want to do that much. I'm just gonna dot a little bit. Let's use the Beauty Blender to blend it out. Okay, that's not doing anything good because this Beauty Blender is not wet enough. Okay, I was worried like I'd put too much, but this color like melts really pretty. It doesn't take your makeup off underneath at all, which is really good because a lot of highlighters do that. I think it looks really pretty actually. I should have wet my Beauty Blender a bit more so it would have been easier to blend out. I would have thought. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I also think this would make like pretty for right here And I feel like this color is good for my skin tone as well, which I like. That's like my problem with the highlighter I'm currently using. Like, to not go with my skin tone, it like looks really streaky. Okay, I really like this. This might be like one of my favorite things so far. I really like that it's not like glittery. Like some highlighters look like you have glitter all over your face. Like I just like that this leaves like a really pretty shine and like glow. And I'm very impressed for my first Rare Beauty experience. Big thumbs up. I really like that highlighter and I think it looks really good with my skin. I like want to put it everywhere. Next, I don't know that this is necessarily viral, but I thought it was like a cool product, so I figured I'd include it. I got this in my BoxyCharm and it's an eyeliner stamp, like a winged eyeliner stamp. The other side is just regular winged liner, but I haven't tried the stamp yet. I have like very hooded eyes, so it's a little bit hard for me to do winged eyeliner, so this should be interesting trying this. And I'm also curious like if it's gonna be pigmented enough that it will leave like a good line. I guess let's do it. I need like to very carefully look in my mirror for this. Okay, not bad. It's definitely transferring. I shut my eyes too fast. My own fault though, since I was saying I have hooded eyes, like I have to keep them like this little until it dries. Low-key, like I did a horrible job. This is a good concept, I think, for somebody who has different eyes than me. Like if you have hooded eyes, it's already hard to do eyeliner in the first place, so this stamp might be tricky, but and like honestly it's not bad. Like when I have my eyes like this, it's not bad. You can't tell at all. It's just when I close it looks a little bit wonky. If you have easier to do eyeliner on eyes, I do think like this would work for you. So that was that. So this next thing I'm also so excited to try. It's the faux freckle pen. I got this on Amazon for like $4 or something. Like it's really cheap. It comes on Prime. I've seen so many people try this and it looks really cute on them, and I don't know if it's gonna look cute on me. It's like, I don't know. I mean, I have a little bit of freckles naturally, but like not anything that's like dramatic. Like you can see them a little bit more in the summer. This comes in two different colors, like a light brown and a dark brown. I did not want to go with the dark just in case it was really dark. I've seen like some people do this on TikTok. There's no really directions, but I'm just gonna kind of place them and then like spread them out with my finger. Okay guys, my camera just died in the middle of that, so I moved to my phone, but I did the dots and they're not blending. And I'm confused because I've seen people use this and they blend. So why aren't mine blending? I really hope that something miraculous happens here because I can't just have dots on my fucking nose. I look like the clown from, remember that show, the clown girl that like did her legs on the clock? Lunette and Molly. Okay, I don't think this is doing anything except covering them with my foundation. Why did this like not work? Thank God that I didn't get the dark one. Let's try again. I'm actually scared. Okay, here's the tea. That worked way better this time. You have to do like really tiny dots. Like do not do big dots or else there will be an issue. But do really tiny dots and blend them like immediately. I'm very scared for the cheeks. Maybe because I'm not used to having freckles, I'm like, why is there dots on my face and it looks weird? Okay. It worked. I think I was being dramatic in the beginning because I didn't know how to use it, but it worked. Let me come a little bit closer. I think that the weird thing is like that I'm wearing so much makeup and then like suddenly I have freckles. So I think this would be cuter with no makeup on. Just like adding a few freckles could be cute. I don't know. Will I use this every day? Probably not. I do want to try it again with no makeup or like less makeup and see how it looks. But again, the key to this is work quickly and do not make big dots or you'll have a problem. And then the last thing to top it off is the Dior lipsticks. I know Dior lip oil is all the rage right now, but I don't have that. But I do have all these little Dior lipsticks that I got for Christmas, and I haven't tried them out yet, so I wanted to try. I really like this color. It's a really pretty nude. Cute. I feel like a lot of my friends don't use lipsticks, but I always have. I feel like they look the best. For me, like I'll do a lipstick and then like I'll do gloss over. I think this color is really pretty. Nude look matte. if you want to try it out. I think it's really pretty and a cute way to end a makeup look. I think this is my first time trying any Dior makeup too. That's pretty cool. We've gotten a lot of new brands in this video. Here's the final look. I think it looks really good. Definitely looks better than usual, I would say. So overall, I think the products did a good job. My favorite thing was definitely the Rare Beauty highlighter. I just feel like it left like a really pretty glow, especially on my nose. I liked this powder a lot. And then I know I kind of talked shit about this in the beginning. Not necessarily, like I do like it. Now that I've like been wearing it for a little while, I like how it looks. I think it looks pretty. It's not like cakey looking, but it definitely, on me at least, needed to be set because it was like a little bit greasy looking at first. I think my least favorite thing, potentially the freckles. I don't know, but maybe I'm just being hard on myself because I'm not used to seeing myself with freckles. Oh, I was wondering like why I look so naked. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Okay, I added in eyebrows, so now I'm a little bit less naked. I was like, why does my face look, I don't know. I feel like I'm not complete without eyebrows. But yeah, this is the finished makeup. I think it looks so good. Like, definitely leveled up my daily makeup. I'm excited to be using these products. I have everything linked in the description if you guys want to try it. And thank you for watching my video. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see, like makeup related. I love trying new makeup. So this is super fun for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.